Welcome to the 2019 Chronic Illness Series on Mold Toxicity and Chronic Inflammatory Response Syndrome. Hello, I'm Dr. Eric Potter, Functional MD. As a founder of Sanctuary Functional Medicine in Franklin, Tennessee, I want to welcome you to our 2019 Facebook Live Educational Question and Answer Series. Each month on the second and fourth Thursday, we will do a lunchtime, 50-minute long Facebook Live session. We'll start with a short educational session on a particular aspect of mold toxicity and chronic inflammatory response syndrome. Basically, each session will be mold and fill in the blank. Throughout the month, we will eventually cover not only mold as an example of the chronic inflammatory response syndrome, but practically all the health concerns we care for in our patients on a regular basis. After the introduction, the remaining 30 to 40 minutes will be an opportunity for myself or other sanctuary staff to answer questions on the topic of the day. Each session will be recorded as well for later viewing on Facebook or our website. Occasionally, we may also invite special guests from outside Sanctuary to provide insights on pertinent topics. We look forward to sharing the knowledge and understanding which God has provided us so that it may help restore your health. Please stay tuned and let us be a part of your journey to a healthier, more abundant life.